Ausenco is a global consulting, engineering, and project delivery company that sets high global standards for value-adding solutions for the minerals and metals, oil and gas, and industrial sectors. We provide services across the full project life cycle, from preliminary feasibility studies to the construction of multi-billion-dollar projects and ongoing management, maintenance, and optimization. While searching for options, we decided to go with Logitech as they are a trusted name for us. Right from the start, the goal was always to merge cutting-edge video conferencing solutions with user-friendly interfaces and low to zero maintenance, so our service delivery team can focus on adding value to the business elsewhere. With our chosen solution, we have the advantage of having a complete ecosystem of products working together, providing reliable video meeting experiences that we can build to scale. Our focus has always been on providing Teams Rooms experiences as a key item to entice people to come back to the office more often. Logitech Sync for us is an essential tool that allows us to achieve the expected uptime for our video conferencing rooms. With Sync, we're provided with a device management console that simplifies management and diagnostics, and alerts also help to minimize downtime by providing our help desk team with real-time warnings. Diversified's expertise and support was essential during the design and implementation stages, with global chip shortages affecting deliveries across all businesses. Their team went the extra mile to fulfill our business requirements in a timely manner.
Our mission is to enable a digital future, connecting people, technology, and experiences, where and when it matters most. Our solutions are experienced by millions every day, removing the distance, delivering a message, and powering business. We integrate and maintain technology solutions across the globe. Many of our large multinational clients rely on us to deploy enterprise solutions throughout North America, South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Australia. Today, Diversified has more than 30 offices globally, serving Fortune 500 clients around the world, and is widely recognized for thought leadership and strategic enterprise implementation. From initial design consultation to deployment to managed services, Diversified is a trusted technology partner.
The success and failure of a business depends on the outcome of teamwork. Hence, getting the right technology into the workplace to support strong teamwork is vital. And selecting a capable services partner is equally as important as the technology selection itself. Diversified is not only a Microsoft Gold certified partner with strong Microsoft Teams Room capability, but they are also one of Microsoft's highest performing Teams Room partners across the globe.
This was a fantastic project to be a part of with Ausenco. It once again highlighted the pillars of our business when partnering with our clients: consult, design, build, and manage.